It's a 77 Pontiac Trans Am, new to the fleet of WrenchandRev and Olsen Racing. It's kind of set up as a pro street car. Got a little Pontiac 350 in here right now when we think it might be hurt, might just need some tuning. We're about to look into it today, see what we got. The street scene is building up actually, and I needed to get involved with that scene. So I went on Facebook and Marketplace and found in Wingate, Pennsylvania, 77 Trans Am. Right, so Keith's gonna fire up the 77 and just kind of show you it's got a little hesitation, and I think the idle's just way too low. You know, you can check the timing, just go over the basics, and we know it's not a powerhouse, but we want to have fun with it for now, so we'll show you a quick little clip of how it is currently running. So definitely running a little rich, stumbly, low idle, having a hard time even getting started. But we'll mess with it here and see what happens.
Check it out, dog.
The choke actually on and unwired. Keith's gonna just start it and watch how it fires up a little quicker. Already a giant improvement in just the startup aspect. Again, it's still a little sluggish on the revs and stuff, but one quick step, one little improvement. So the timing is pretty good, about 12 to 14 degrees at idle, vacuum disconnected, and pretty much a little air fuel adjustment and bring up the idle speed a little bit. The bracket was loose on the throttle cable. Once you pulled all that together, I mean, it's idling like a gem. Seems to have pretty decent throttle response, you know? Not a bad start for 15 minutes. Another win, the tachometer wasn't working, just the loose wire. Pushed it in a little bit and yeah, baby. All good now. So far I found out it's a Pontiac 350. This car used to have a 400 in it, so obviously it's not the original motor. It's not running so good. It wasn't necessarily the highest priority of this build. We're salivating here to get involved with tuning this motor so we can run it while we build probably a more intense motor for the street, something that fits that rear end a little better as time goes on. But right now we want to get this going so we can have fun now. So we have a Ford 9-inch rear end here. It's narrowed. You got some big old meats on there. I'm proud to say, always wanted a tub back half car. Here it is, 18.5-inch Mickey Thompson street tires. You know, glad that they're in good shape because they cost a fortune. It's all wrapped on some weld rims that need some shining, but I'm sure they'll come out. Here sits the 4-speed. It's a Borg-Warner Super T10. We're not sure about which one it is quite yet. However, it is a nice 4-speed that's going to be fun to bang the gears. Well, there you have it. We hope you enjoyed the brief intro video of my 77 Pontiac Trans Am. Today we worked out some of the kinks to get the car rolling. We look forward to the build and hope you come along for the ride. Subscribe to follow up on our projects. Thanks for watching Wrench and Rev, Bust Knuckles, and Banging Games.